Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You can download apps to your Fire Stick using a computer by going to the Amazon App Store. Then, scroll down and select the type of Fire TV device you own. Next, find the app you want and click it. Finally, select your device in the Deliver to drop-down menu, and select Get App.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The reason for this error is because permissions aren't granted for file access upon first installing the downloader application. If you don't allow for downloader to access files on your Fire TV, there is now a way for the application to download and install applications.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
1. Check network status. The first thing you want to do whenever a Fire TV stick is not installing an app is to check if your device is connected to the internet. Sometimes, your Fire TV stick could be connected to your Wi-Fi router and still have no internet access.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Install the downloader app. Return to the Fire TV main menu. Open the web browser that comes pre-installed with Fire TV. Go to your preferred source for unofficial APK, Android package files, such as apkfiles.com, to download an unofficial app file of your choice.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.